Hello. I want to book a taxi.
Sure. What time do you need it?
Sorry. Can you say that again? Slowly?
Of course. What time do you need the taxi?
I need it at 9 in the morning.
9 a.m. Got it. Where are you going?
Going? What is going?
Your destination. Where you want to go.
Oh, I want to go to the train station.
Okay. Train station. Anything else?
No, that is all.
Will you pay now or later?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Pay now or pay after the ride?
Oh, I pay later.
Great. What is your name?
Oliver.
Okay, Oliver. Taxi will arrive in 15 minutes.
Thank you. How much?
Around $10.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you soon.
I did it. I booked a taxi in English. Wow.
Hello. How can I help you? Hi. I want to exchange these shoes. You mean change them? Yes, change. I bought them yesterday. What is the issue? They are too tight. Very uncomfortable. Do you have the bill? Bill? What is bill? The paper from your purchase. Oh, yes. Here it is. Thank you. Do you want a different size or your money back? Money back? Yes. We return your money. Oh, I want a bigger size. No problem. Let me check. Thank you. And sorry, my English is not good. Your English is very clear. I said change, not exchange. Both are okay. I understand you. Thank you. You are very kind. Here is your new pair. Thank you. I learned a new word today.
Hello. Central Park, please. Central Park. Okay. Thank you. Here we are. Central Mall. Mall? No, park. Oh, I heard mall. Sorry. My pronunciation is not good. Park. 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 I understand now. Sorry about that. It's okay. My mistake too. How far is the park? About 8 minutes from here. Can you take me there? Yes, of course. Thank you. Turn right here. Right. Okay. Then go straight. Straight? Yes. Your park is near the museum. Near the museum? Yes, that is the place. Oh, yes, I see it. Here you go. Thank you. And sorry again. No problem. It happens. Next time, I will speak more clearly. Perfect idea. Have a nice day.
Hi. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I want the sandwich.
Which one?
This one. Tuna sandwich.
Oh, tuna.
Tuna. Not tuna?
Yes, tuna.
English is difficult.
I know. Don't worry.
I would like the tuna sandwich, please.
Great choice. And drink?
Can I have orange juice?
Perfect. You said that very well.
One correct, one wrong.
That's still good.
Thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
I will bring it soon.
Thank you. I will remember tuna forever.
Okay, English cooking time. Only English today.
Only English? In the chicken?
Kitchen, not chicken.
Oh, sorry. Kitchen.
First, we clean the vegetables.
Clean. Yes.
Now we slice the tomatoes.
Slice? I understand.
Good. Next, we heat the oil.
Heat? Make it hot?
Exactly.
Okay. Heat the oil.
Then we fry the vegetables.
Fry? Cook in oil?
Yes.
How long?
About 10 minutes.
Do we mix it?
Yes. Stir it slowly.
Clean, slice, heat, fry, stir. 5 new words.
Very good.
Kitchen, not chicken. I will remember.
Maybe you forget again.
Maybe, but I try.
Hello. What would you like today?
Hi, I want a new haircut.
Sure. How short?
Not very short, just a little.
Like shoulder length?
Yes, shoulder. That word is hard.
You are doing great.
Thank you. I feel nervous.
Don't worry. I will go slowly.
Okay, I trust you.
Is this length okay?
Yes, it looks nice.
Not too short?
No, perfect.
See? You explained well.
I am proud of myself.
You should be.
Thank you. I feel happy.
Excuse me. Where is the bookstore?
It is on the first floor.
First floor?
Yes. Go down.
Downstairs?
Yes.
Oh, I understand.
Use the elevator.
Elevator?
The moving box goes up and down.
Oh, elevator.
Then turn left.
Left. Okay.
It is next to the cafe.
Next to means beside?
Yes. Beside.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I learn by repeating.
That is a smart way.
Hi. Your dog is so cute. Thank you. His name is Max. How old is he? He is 3 years old. He looks very active. Yes, he loves to run. Do you come here every day? Yes, every evening. I am new here. Welcome. Thank you. I am learning English. Your English is good. I practice daily. That is great. I learned a new word. Leash. Yes, leash for dogs. Thank you. Nice talking to you. Same here.
Hey, Lucas. Ready for gym? Ready, but speak slowly. Sure. First, we warm up. Warm up? Move your body slowly. Okay. Like this? Yes. Perfect. What next? Now, we push weights. Push. Move it forward. Oh, push. Do it 10 times. 1, 2, 3. This is hard. Keep going. 8, 9, 10. Done. Great job. I am tired. One more round. Again? Yes. Repeat. Warm up. Push. Repeat. Good. My body hurts, but I learn English.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
What would you like?
What is fresh today?
Muffins. Baked today.
Muffin? How to say?
Muffin.
Muffin. Okay.
Would you like some?
Yes. 2 muffins, please.
Anything else?
Juice. Orange juice.
Perfect.
Thank you for speaking slowly.
Anytime.
I am not afraid to ask.
That is good.
My teacher says that.
Smart teacher.
Funniest mistake this week?
You go first.
I said park, but driver heard part.
That is funny.
And you?
I said tuna wrong.
How?
I said tuna.
Funny.
We make many mistakes.
Yes, but we laugh.
That is important.
Every mistake is learning.
Yes. Every day better.
This week was good.
Yes. Very good.
I booked a taxi.
I changed my shoes.
I learned directions.
I ordered food.
I went to the gym.
I talked in the park.
Our English is not perfect.
But it is improving.
Step by step.
Small steps matter.
Who said that?
I did, just now, in English.
Wow, amazing.
Next week will be better.
Yes, even better.
Good night, Oliver.
Good night, Emma.